What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Yesterday, I released a video on my exit plan for XRP, kind of my final exit plan, with maybe a couple of adjustments as time goes on. But I like to stick to these exit plans and be able to gather a lot throughout time. But I believe that within this process of holding XRP, believing in XRP, and utilizing XRP, that I will be an XRP millionaire. And there's not many that I can say that I will have that opportunity, to be there, or I'll say I'll have the opportunity, but I can't guarantee that I will be there. I truly believe that I will be an XRP millionaire with the amount that I have right now and how much I've invested into it, how much I've believed into it. Now, some people may not believe in XRP at all, and they might only see XRP at a level of $1, $2, at most $3, right? But I honestly see with all the things that are coming for it and with it that XRP will be massive, massive prices. And as I go through my exit plan, you see the opportunity to become an XRP millionaire very, very quickly. So again, let's talk about this. Let's show you why I believe I will become an XRP millionaire. And hopefully you guys enjoy the video. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, @PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about if you guys want to trade XRP or leverage XRP, you can utilize Margex. That link is down there in the description, where a lot of people have had success with it. I've been able to gain 12,000 extra XRP without even having to spend any money. So that's amazing to be able to do that. You spend $100 in, whatever, leveraging this XRP over here, it turns to $7,000 as you make different trades accordingly, right? And while you are spending money up front, but that money also came from other trades that I ended up receiving. So ultimately, I am spending more money by leaving it in XRP, but it was like free XRP as long as I predict the right places that a lot of these positions are going. So let's talk about XRP in this video. If you guys want to start trading on Margex, the link to that will be in the description. But XRP is currently standing at a 62-cent price. It's slightly down on the day, so it's been kind of flat like it usually is, right? It was hovering around 50 for a while, then it was hovering around 55, then it hovered around high 50s, and now we're seeing it around the 60 cents level, and it's hovering around this area, right? It did decrease, heavily during the kind of pullback for Bitcoin from 69,000 down to like 58. So XRP fell as well, but it did end up hovering a little bit or start to actually approach its way back, pushing from a level of, 50, I want to say it was 55 cents or something like that, all the way back up to the 62 or 63-cent level that we did see it get to in the last day. If we look at all my crypto I've invested, I will get into that in a little bit, but I have $21,821 worth of XRP right now, which is 35,000 XRP. We're currently sitting at $34 billion market cap and a $2.1 billion in volume day. We typically see billions of dollars for XRP every single day. So that's not a difference, right? It's usually the same thing. It's only up by about 8%. If we look at the volume to market cap ratio, that is showing a little bit low when it comes to popularity, but that's just because of the uncertainty of where XRP will be based on the case, the SEC versus Ripple case. But XRP is already labeled as, not a security. It's just whether you're going to see an appeal based on Ripple's win, because I truly believe that Ripple will win, and they already have won. But they just need that kind of in writing to where they do win. And then if there is an appeal, then the SEC can technically appeal basically everything besides the drop charges, but they can appeal everything and get back to a point where now XRP is back in the news as being labeled as a security. And now they have to fight that all over again, which would suck. I would hate if they did that. If Ripple wins, it doesn't make sense for the SEC to just continue to double down with this and just go until they win, because they have endless resources, which is just ridiculous. But Currently, you're also seeing the supply at 54.7 billion total coins, where you have, a good 46, 45 billion that's out there waiting to be released. And they're supposed to do that every single month. What's crazy is we haven't really seen the release in the last 2 months. Has been hovering around 54%. Maybe CoinMarketCap just hasn't verified it. It does look like it's verified by CoinMarketCap with a blue check mark. So that's a little bit of a concern there. When are they going to release anything? Are they going to release it sparingly, or are they going to release it how they said they were going to? Or after the case, are they going to say, all right, we don't need any more money to fight the SEC, so we're now going to, burn all of the escrow? And I think maybe that could be the case, right? Maybe they're not trying to tell us that they're using that escrow to fund the 3+ year long case that they've had. Maybe that's the case. Maybe it's not. But if it is, that would be great, because then we can kind of approach the thought of burning the rest of the escrow and never getting to the level of 100 billion coins, and then now having a natural deflationary aspect to XRP. But it's not 100%, right? That's just a kind of a thought, a shot in the dark type of thing. But anyways, let's get into my breakdown and why I believe that I will become an XRP millionaire. Maybe you will as well. Let me know how much you do have and what your process is on selling. But as I go through my exit strategy again, and if you guys want this spreadsheet, I have it over on Patreon to break down XRP and a lot of other positions. And you can put your own positions in here with different prices and be able to build your own exit plan. I think this is essential for the bull market, but we'll explain that maybe in a little bit. But where I see what I have 35,000 XRP. Now at a level of $5, you see that I'm going to take 25,000, which is like my initial investment plus profit. After that, it makes me have an ease to holding on for a very, very long time. So as you get up to $10, the 30,000 that I have is now worth 300,000 there. As it gets to $20, it's worth 560,000. I am taking some as time goes on, just a little bit. But then as it gets to $40, that's worth $1 million. That gives me that solid opportunity to become a millionaire, and I truly believe that it's going to grow a lot further than that. So you have $1 million from XRP, which makes me a XRP millionaire. As of what I'm holding, I would officially be an XRP millionaire on paper, not in liquid form, but on paper. So then I would end up taking 500,000, like I said, and then it would get to $85, another million. I would be a millionaire again on paper, taking half of that, and so on and so forth. And you could see the different breakdowns. So just to get a breakdown of that video in a very brief, format, you can see that my reality is like 85,000, with the exception of, taking another 500. I think it was, $520,000. So ultimately being, having hundreds of thousands of dollars from XRP, with the expectation of gaining 1.1 million, with also being able to take $500,000 worth of XRP at that point. So being at 1.5 million, and then also the max profit of $23 million. So I truly believe, is this going to happen? I'm all over the place. Is this going to happen right here? This is not guaranteed. But as you see some of these other levels that I can get to, a $5 trillion market cap, that's possible. That's definitely possible to get to a $5 trillion market cap, $8 trillion market cap, $10 trillion market cap, whatever. I truly believe that that's possible at these current supply levels. And, that's what I'm seeing. Now, if they're going to release supply, then that starts to kind of move things around a bit. But I still believe that the ability to get to a $1 million price point, or let's say a $40 price point here, to get me $1 million, it may shift my whole exit plan there, but still will have the ability to get to $40 worth maybe a $4 trillion market cap. In my opinion, I think XRP can be worth that, but that's my opinion. I want to know what your opinion is. Do you believe that you will be an XRP millionaire? Are you very negative towards it? Do you believe XRP is dead and will never get to a level of $5 or $10 or whatever? Or are you on the other side believing that this will get to $10,000, right? So let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also check out Margex if you guys want to leverage trade XRP or any other position that's over there. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.